Hey there, future scholar. Are you looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demanding studies? Look no further than the Lenovo Thinkbook 16G6. This powerful and versatile machine is designed to meet the needs of today's students, offering a perfect blend of performance, features, and affordability. Reason number 1. Powerful performance for demanding tasks. The Thinkbook 16G6 is equipped with a robust Intel Core i5 processor, ensuring exceptional performance for a wide range of student tasks. Whether you're writing essays, conducting research, or creating multimedia projects, this laptop has the power to handle it all. The CPU Core i5 13th generation delivers exceptional performance for multitasking, video editing, and even live gaming. With 8GB of RAM, you have plenty of memory to keep multiple programs running smoothly and no more waiting for your laptop to catch up. The 512GB storage ensures fast boot times and quick application loading, so you can spend less time waiting and more time studying. Reason number 2. Immersive display and comfortable typing. The Thinkbook 16G6 boasts a spacious 16-inch display with a WUHGA resolution, offering stunning visuals for everything from watching lectures to enjoying your favorite shows. The comfortable keyboard and precise trackpad make typing essays and taking notes a breeze. Reason number 3. Long-lasting battery life. As a student, you're always on the go, and the Thinkbook 16G6 is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. With its long-lasting battery, you can confidently take your laptop to class, the library, or anywhere else you need to go without worrying about running out of juice. Reason number 4. Versatile connectivity. The Thinkbook 16G6 offers a variety of ports including card reader, networking, 2 ports of USB 3.2, 2 ports of USB-C, audio port, and HDMI, allowing you to easily connect to external devices like printers, monitor, and storage drives. This versatility ensures that you can connect to all the resources you need for your study. Reason number 5. Affordable price. The Thinkbook 16G6 offers exceptional value for money. It provides a balance of performance, features, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for students on a budget. Additional benefits: lightweight and portable. The Thinkbook 16G6 is designed to be easy to carry around, so you can take it wherever you go. Stylish design. The sleek and modern design of the Thinkbook 16G6 will help you stand out in the class. Reliable and durable. The Thinkbook 16G6 is built to last, so you can count on it to perform reliably throughout your study. In conclusion, the Lenovo Thinkbook 16G6 is the perfect laptop for students. Its powerful performance, immersive display, long-lasting battery, versatile connectivity, and affordable price make it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient machine to help them succeed in their studies. Okay guys, this is all for my video, and if you like it, don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuned for more video. See you. Bye bye.